Welcome back, everyone. In my previous video, I mentioned creating a vision wall. If that's something that you would like to know more about and see a demonstration on how you can create your very own, then keep watching. The idea of a vision wall is something that I came up with. Instead of creating a vision board, I wanted to create a vision wall. Now, in this part of the video, I just wanted to show everyone what I was using to stick the photos onto the wall. It's basically a sticky tack that you roll up into like a ball, and it can look like gum. As you can see, this probably looks like gum, but it's not. It works really well. You stick it onto the paper and then you stick it onto the wall, and it's really good because when it's time to remove the paper, it doesn't like damage the paint on the wall or the paint or the wall itself. It just comes off very easily. So if you want, I will link it in the description below so you guys can get your own if you're thinking of using it for whether it's putting up posters or anything you'd like. A vision wall or a vision board, it's basically a visual representation of what your desires are. It is a constant reminder, a sense of motivation to keep you going when you have these photos, these demonstrations of what your goal is right there in front of you every day. There is no correct way to make a vision wall or a vision board. It's just your visual way of showing the faith that you have in your dreams, in your desires. It's basically you putting these photos there to remind yourself and to encourage yourself that if you have faith, this is what you want to accomplish. But the reason why a lot of people end up making vision boards and New Year's resolutions and nothing becomes of them is because, and this is a verse that is from the Bible. I will tell you the scripture. It's from James chapter 2 verse 15. It says, faith without work is dead. That's a reason why a lot of people, they create vision boards and all these different representations of their dreams and photos and pictures, and it doesn't do anything because they have faith that this can happen. But where's the work? Where's the action? Nothing's happening. So you end up with this big belief that this is going to become a reality, and then you don't do anything to actually put it into, like, you don't do anything to help it become a reality. I'm going to read the scripture for you. It's James chapter 2 verse 15. I would encourage everyone watching this video, read the entire passage from verse 14 to 21 or to 26. Just read it. It will amaze you, but I'm just going to read from verse 15 to verse 17. Verse 15. I'm reading the New Living Translation, so the NLT version. It says, suppose you see a brother or sister who has no food or clothing, and you say, goodbye, have a good day, stay warm, and eat well, but then you don't give the person any food or clothing. What good does that do? Verse 17 says, so you see, faith itself isn't enough. Unless it produces good deeds, it is dead and useless. Having faith is amazing. It's good. You need it. But faith alone is not enough. You have to put action behind your faith. Whether you choose to create a vision wall or a vision board, or you don't want to create anything at all, that's fine. Have faith in what your goals are. Have faith in the future that you see for yourself, and ask God to help you to put in the action to let it become a reality. And that's the next thing I want to mention. Prayer. You have to pray about the things that you want on your vision wall or board. Whatever your vision for yourself in the future is, pray about it. Ask God to open doors of opportunity and areas in your life where you can actually network and learn and let these dreams, these photos, these things that you want for yourself become a reality. So do not forget to pray. If you've made it this far into the video and you're enjoying it, comment in the comment section your favorite Bible verse that motivates you. When creating a vision wall, it's easy to get caught up in trying to make it look pretty, getting the right pictures, the right layout, the right color scheme, and all of that is great. But at the end of the day, if it's just pretty and you can't even see what your first goal is, then it defeats the purpose. Finally, you need to make your vision wall a part of your daily routine. This means placing it where you can spot it, and that's why instead of making a vision board, I thought a vision wall, because it's going to be on a wall in your room. You more than likely are going to be looking at it every day, which will be great. But sometimes you get so distracted that all you do is look at it. You look at it as you go and you look at it as you come back, and that's all. But that's not how you're going to have to do it in order for it to work. You have to put it into your daily routine, which means take a few minutes each morning to focus on your goals. Find practical ways that you can add the goals that you want to achieve to your daily routine. Thank you for watching. I hope you're feeling inspired to create your own vision wall. If you do decide to create one, be sure to share it with me in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and tricks to help you achieve your goals. Have a blessed day. Don't forget, you're not too small to make a difference, and you can do all things through Christ who strengtheneth you. Bye.